As you all are aware, the India-Nigeria relationship very strong, underpinned by a strong economic cooperation and trade and investments. There are about 200 Indian companies who have invested about $27 billion in this country, and the two leaders have discussed ways to further expand this economic partnership for the mutual benefit of the two countries. Indian companies are also creating a large number of jobs in Nigeria. Capacity building with a large number of scholarship and digital education methods, Nigerian students have availed significant facilities both in this country and also in India under the ITEC program. Both leaders have also discussed global and regional issues, and in that context they have reiterated their commitment to further deepen their commitment to the Global South and how to take forward the agenda of the Global South in the global discourse, particularly to meet the aspirations of developing countries. In keeping with the very special ties shared between India and Nigeria, the highest award of the Order of Niger, the Grand Commander of the Order of Niger, for his contribution to strengthening India-Nigeria ties. Prime Minister Modi is the first foreign leader to be conferred this national award since 1969. While accepting the award, Prime Minister dedicated the honor to India-Nigeria friendship and to the people of India. During the talks, there have been exchanges of 3 memorandum of understandings covering the areas of cultural exchange program, customs cooperation and survey cooperation. President Tinubu hosted a state banquet in honor of Prime Minister Modi. In short, while from now Prime Minister will address a gathering of the Indian community in Nigeria. As you are aware, the Indian diaspora has deep roots in Nigeria. There are about 60,000 Indian diaspora in Nigeria who are involved very successfully in several areas of the economic cooperation and partnerships. They have been living in this country for several decades, and their contribution to Nigerian society is widely recognized. In the evening, later, Prime Minister will depart Abuja for Rio de Janeiro to participate in the G20 summit, where Nigeria has also been invited as a